Good morning again. Today we are going to learn how to fix goodness of fit. As you all have seen previously in the first part of the goodness of fit table, there are criterias, well I can say all the criterias except for the semen are not fit. Instead they are really in a poor fit. So now we are going to fix it. How to fix it? There are three ways to do. One, using modification indices. Second, we are going to use the multiple correlation and the matrix. One by one, let's see the modification. Now to show the modification, don't forget, click view first, analysis properties. Under the output, please check all the box here. Please check all the box. You see here, this is the modification indices that we need. And regarding the threshold for modification, the standard is 4, right? But the I've seen that if we covariate or we modify those below 10, doesn't give much impact. So take it at least 10, it will give some impact. Okay, so close this and then save. Don't forget, analyze. Now don't forget to click the red, and there you go. The numbers are still there. Let us click the view text and model fit as you have seen previously, not fit. We go to the modification indices. There you go. So for the modification indices, let us minimize this. Okay, let us minimize starting with the E1. Now, in order to take effect, we need to stop the analysis process of AMOS. So go back to your AMOS. Let us make it smaller. Uh, Click stop next to the red button, right? So no numbers. Now let us start with E1. Now rules, yeah, for the rules. You for the covariate is this one, double-headed arrow. Okay, the covariate happens for the error only, not among this, yeah, not among the indicator, only the error. You can covariate E1 to E2 to E3, E4, E5, or 2 to 3, 4, 5, 3 to 4, 5, 4 to 5. No problem. As long as all these errors belong to the same unobserved variable. You cannot cross it to the other variable like this, or not to the unobserved variable as well. Yeah, please make a note. The only covariate you can do are among the errors which belong to the same unobserved variable. So hence E1 to E2 cannot, because E1 is here, E22 is here, too far away. 2 to 7 also cannot because E2 is here, E7 belongs to financial knowledge, E4 to role of parents. This is E4, this is role of parents, which is the unobserved variable, still cannot. So 6 to 7, let us see. 6 to 7. There is a light now. 6 to 7, we can do it. 6 to 11 cannot because 11 belongs to attitude. 7 to 9, this one still can. Okay, click on this. 7 to 9. 7 to 11 cannot. 9, 21 cannot. 11 to 12, let's see. This one, 11 to 12. Okay, 11 to 14. 11 to 14, okay, we can. 11 to 18 cannot. 12 to 13, okay, there you go. So 12 to 13. Then 12 to 15, nope, belongs to intention. Then let's focus now for the 12 to 13 we have done. 12 to 15 cannot. 14 to 18 cannot. 15 to 17. There you go. 15 to 17. Okay. 15 to 20. Yep. Now 15 to 22. Good. And then we have 16 to 19. And then we have 17 to 21. And then we have 18 to 22. Quite a lot, I see. 19 to 22. And then we have 20 to, oops, sorry, 20 to 21. 20 to 21. Okay. 19 to 22. 19 to 22. Yeah, done. And then we have 22 to knowledge cannot. Okay, go back here. So now let's save and then calculate estimates. Turn on the red button and then view text. Okay, the model fit now. Let's see, is there any changes? Now for the CMIT, click copy, move to your Word. Let's make the comparison table. And then we have this one, GFI, GFI. Then we have the IFI, TLFI. Okay, last but not least is the RMCA. Copy. Then we have it here. Now let us check. First thing first, CMIN. CMIN getting much better now. The GFI becomes mediocre. AGFI is still the same, poor fit. IFI, TLF, TLI, and CFI. Now, IFI and CFI becomes mediocre, but TLI is still in poor fit. Okay, but let me move this into the first one because that is our first condition. Okay, RMCA, it's becoming good, but not yet fit because, yeah, should be less than 008. Okay, now this is the first trial. Let's see again here the modification indices if there is a possibility for us to even increase the good fit. Now, as we can see, 6 cannot go to 11, 7 as well, 9 as well, 11 as well. The last is 12 to 15 cannot. Nah. If we cannot have a good fit, then we have to go to the second option. The second option, okay, before that, let me write down this. Uh, this is first trial. Okay, this is modification indices trial. Okay, just make it red. So easy to remember. Or I give another color maybe? No, no. That will do. Okay. Now let's try the third trial. The third trial is we try the second one. The second one is what we call as square multiple correlation. The square multiple correlation is located under estimates and scalars. Now what you do is very simple. You just need to click on this positive sign of estimates, positive signs of scalars, and click on the square multiple correlation. For the square multiple correlation, what you need to see is try to eliminate, okay, once again, try to eliminate any number which is lower than 0.2. Okay, any number or any value or estimate which is less than 0.2. Now, if we check here, there are some numbers like intention 7, 6, and then we have attitude 2, and then we have financial knowledge 4, financial knowledge 2, which are very low. So let us take the lowest one. The lowest one is FK2 and 4. So okay, let's take out FK2 first. Closed. Use your delete FK2. This one. Aha. The modification indices problem. Okay. So let us save and then analyze, calculate, and click the red button. I don't see improvement in the FK4. Okay, but let us see. Model fit. There is an improvement. AGFI now becomes mediocre, but TLI is still the same. And RMC, okay, now it is improved. Yeah, it is improved. Now let us check again the square multiple correlation. Let us see the FK. Yeah, this is still poor. Yeah, FK4. Let's eliminate that one. Close FK4. Okay. Let me drag down the FK here. There you go. Now let's save it and then analyze, calculate. Click the red button. Seems improved. Okay, let us see the goodness of it. Model fit. Improve, improve, improved. Now they are all improved. Okay, this is also improved. Now, as I have mentioned earlier, that when you want to eliminate, make sure that you don't eliminate too many indicators. Yeah, at least the max you try to keep 3. If you can keep 4, it's very good. Okay, now let us see. I have attitude 2 and attitude 4. But the lowest one I see is still under the 6 and 7. This is still higher than those. So let me take out 6 and 7 first. The intention. Now you might be thinking why I have to take one by one instead of taking the whole. Well, again, as I said, it's better to keep the indicators, and if you cannot have it all, yeah, try to eliminate 1 or 2, because usually when you eliminate 1, the other indicators will get improved. That's why I only eliminate one by one, and then we try the analysis again. Now, go to analyze, calculate estimate, and click on the red button and view tags. Then you have model fit. Okay, it is improved. Very good improvement. Very good. And it is increased instead of decreased. No problem. Still under the score that we need. Now let's go back to the square multiple correlation. I can delete the integer intention 4, attitude 4. Later. Attitude 2. Okay, let me take out attitude 2 first. Okay, attitude 2. Yep. Now save. Analyze again. Click the red button and view tags and model fit. And yep, it is improving. Improving very well, very well, very well. And now it goes down. Very good. Now let's go back and check what else we can eliminate. This one is done, no problem. Attitude 4. Unfortunately, I cannot delete this because the indicators are left with only 3. So forget it. Intention 4, I guess we can still manage it. Let's say intention 4. Intention 4. Okay. Stop. Intention 4. There you go. Save it and analyze again. Okay, click on the red button and then view tags and let's check the model fit. Voila! Now we got a very improved one here as well as the RMC. Okay, so I guess if we go back to the estimate scalars, square multiple, we can eliminate 5. Hmm. Shall we do that? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I take out 5, let's see. Let's take out 5. 5, where are you? Oh, this one. Okay. Now let's make it better. Yep, take out the flower. So I can drag one by one. This one here, this one here, and this one here. Then I use my magic, 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 magic. Okay, saved. And again, analyze, calculate, estimate. Click on the red button and then let's view tags and let's see the model fit. Voila, it's improved. Not the RMC. Okay. Now let us skip this. Click, copy, and then move. We write down here. The third one is the square multiple correlation trial. Okay, there you go. Click there. Now let us see the GFI and AGFI. Okay. Where is it? GFI, AGFI. Copy. Okay. Enter that down. Rearrange. We have it here. The IFITLI. Copy. Move it. There you go. Then lastly is the RMC. Where are you, RMCA? CA. Yep. There you go. Copy. Okay, now let's check. So now with the third trial, the modif it improves a bit. but with the square multiple correlation, it has improved a lot from the beginning. The GFI, AGFI also. Now, GFI has completed the criteria, whereas IGFI still not. But we can consider this as mediocre. So let's make it there that color. So it means mediocre. Okay, then let us check the IFI TLI. Now the IFI are very good. So as well as the CFI. The TLI, yeah, we can say mediocre. Okay, mediocre. And last is the RMC. RMC is perfectly as what we expected. Yeah, there you go. Okay, now let us see the third trial or the third way of doing this or to modify. The third way is again you click on the estimates, click on the matrices. Okay, previously we have scalars for the squared multiple correlation. Now we go to the matrices and you choose the standardized residual covariance. This one, yeah, and make sure standardized residual covariance. Now, what are we trying to find here? Now, based on some literature that I read, the standardized residual covariance should be around plus minus 1. Yeah, around plus minus 1 or below. That is the best. But if you see here, first we see the ROP4. We have 3, 3, 3, and 2. So it means that we can eliminate this ROP4 in order to improve the goodness of it. Other than that, yeah, if you see the numbers are greater in the whole row, so you can delete the row. But if you see the numbers are greater in the column side, then you can delete the column. Now here for the column we have ROP4 and attitude 3 and 4, but all of this belongs to column 8, intention 8. So we have 4 left for intention, so we keep intention first. Let us go with the ROP4. Let me copy this. Whatever. ROP4, yeah. So let's stop this. ROP4. Okay, go here and saved and analyze and click the red button, click the view text, go to model fit, and yeah, you can see TLI now has improved. Very good. So now let's copy the result. Where is the CMIN? Okay, there you go. CMIN. Yep. There. The standardized uh, regression, standardized residual covariances. Standardized residual covariances trial. Change the color. Okay. Okay, let's see the model fit again. Click the model fit. Now copy. Oops. No. Only this area. Okay. Copy. Go there. Cement. Now the GFI, AGFI. We put it here. this area, copy, and then IFITLI, this one, copy, and then the RMCA. There you go. So this one improved way a lot. Yeah, because the standard is 008. This is one done. And the IFI, PLI, CFI now are completely as we requested, greater than 0.9. And GFI, GFI has improved to the level that we expected. AGFI, yeah, in mediocre, so I guess no problem. Because again, based on the Hare's book and other literature that I read, instead of 7 criteria, we can go to 5. So 5 out of 7. If they are fit, then you are good to go. Copy. Same thing here. Yeah, so let us count the third one. Yeah, so this is one criteria done. This is 2 GFI done, and now 3, 4, 5 already, and then 6. So we have 6 out of 7 criteria are good fit. Hence, we don't need this anymore. We can close it. And let us copy the graphic. Copy this. Um, where is my word? This is the word. So I just write it here after modification. There you go. Let's crop a bit so it's not too big. Consuming our paper. Oh, sorry. Why? Oh, okay. Well, I guess that will do. Hmm. Right after modification. Okay, just move it down. After modification, so this one is before modification. Okay, so now we are done with this, the modification part. So we can move on to the next part, which is hypothesis testing. Okay, thank you for watching.